I know that these humans are the real animals. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow their house down.
I want to know what your take is on this airplane crashing and flipping. I've worked on a number of jets. I've flown, I don't even want to count, countless times. And it's all funny that all of it's happening, just like the bridges, just like the railroad tracks being cut, just like the buildings, the cows and all the animals being set on fire and blown up. What is your take? Because you already heard the Arab and the pale skin pilots who dump chemicals, knowing what they do, but telling the person, the individual interviewing them to go to their higher up, right? And you've already heard that most of these people fly this have given up on humanity. I've seen it on numerous posts, even on YouTube, that most of these people will do anything because lower frequency and lower vibration, whatever it may be, right? Or they've done things that they wish they never had, and so they're subject to do what may be. But please leave your opinions in the comment section. I really would like to know, okay? So be warned. It's not gory, but there'll be a disclaimer.
Oh no. Tower, you're seeing this airplane just crashed.
Pretty friggin' crazy. Y'all see the one in Philly? A friend of mine there says he thinks it was a plane, but he heard people saying they think it might have been a missile. I don't know. I wasn't in Philly when that happened. All right. Somebody's good friend was on fire. Supposedly, I think he said they're alive, but then ICU. So I'm waiting for him to get back to me to let me know about his friend who was. Anyway, that'll be another video. But leave your comments in this section, please.